Hello everyone. Today we will be doing difference subtraction in Java. So how we will do subtraction in Java? We can see over here. We will accept any two number from the user. We will input two number from the user and then we will perform the subtraction over here. Here I have written the program to do subtraction in Java. Let me explain you the same. I have used import java.io.asterisk. I have used the IO input output package over here so that as we want user to enter the number. I have used public class subtraction. I have used the name as subtraction over here as we are performing subtraction. You can use any name of your choice. We have used public static void main string args over here. This is to initialize the program at first. I've used input stream reader read, new input stream reader system.in, buffer reader ob, new buffer reader read. This is required as we have used input output package. So this buffer reader is required as we want the values to be entered by user. So let's come to the main part of the program. This is the main function of the program. You can see over here I have initialized three integer variable num1, num2 and diff. Num1 will be the first number which will be entered by the user. We will store it in num1, and the second number that the user will enter will be stored in num2, and difference I have initialized this as 0 at the starting, and this will calculate the difference. This will store the difference of these two numbers. Here I have used system out println enter two number for subtraction. That do means I want the user to enter two number for subtraction. I have given the message to the user. Now user will enter two number. So at the first number we will accept and store over here in num1. The first number we will store in num1. Num1 equal to integer dot parseInt ob.readline. We will store this as integer number. And the second number in the same type, we will store num2 as integer dot parseInt ob.readline. Here we have done the operational part. You can see over here we have done difference equal to num1 minus num2 as we do in the normal subtraction. Difference equal to num1 minus num2. Let me explain you the same. Suppose that in num1 user has entered a number 15 and in num2 user has entered a number 10. Then what will be the difference? Diff equal to num1 minus num2. You can see over here diff equal to num1 is 15 minus num2 is 10. What will be the answer? Diff equal to 5. So likewise this operation gets executed. You can see over here, and finally I have written over here system out println the difference of the numbers equal to plus diff. This is the where we have stored the difference of these two numbers. So this is how this program runs, and this will do the subtraction. It will show the result of two numbers getting subtracted. And so we will do this same program in practical in computer, and we will see the output whether it works or not. Alright, so as we have already discussed in the board that how we make a program, how we write a program to do the subtractions in Java. We accept two values, two number from user, and then we subtract and we get the answer. So we will do that same program over here. First of all, we will, as I have you are able to see over here, I have opened BlueJ. So first of all we will be creating a new class. Let the name of the class be subtraction. Now first of all we will use the IO package import java.io.asterisk. We will import the IO package. Now we will write the name of the class. Public class subtract. Now we will use the public static void main string args throws a exception. Again we have opened another curly bracket, and now inside this we will write input stream reader read new input stream reader system.in buffer reader ob new buffer reader read, as we want the values, the numbers to be entered by user. After this, as I have written input stream reader read new input stream reader system.in buffer reader ob new buffer reader read. After this, what I'll be doing is I'll declare three integer variable. First one as num1. It will store the value of first number that will be entered by user. The second one is num2, and the third one will be difference. Diff. Let it be diff. It will store the values that will be coming out as a result after the subtraction of these two numbers. We can initialize the value of diff at initially as 0. Then I will put out a message to the user asking him to enter two numbers for subtraction. We will use system out println for this. Now we will accept those two numbers. We will store the values of the number in num1 and num2. we will use integer.parseInt ob.readline. Now you can see over here num1 equal to integer.parseInt ob.readline, num2 equal to integer.parseInt ob.readline. These two numbers will accept the values of two numbers that will be entered by user, and then our calculation part will get executed. So this is our calculation part. Diff equal to num1 minus num2. Num1 minus num2. And after we will get the answer of this, it will be stored in the difference will be stored in diff, and we will show out the answer using system.out.println. Difference of the numbers equal to, and we will add the diff over here. So here we have written the whole program. Let's see after compilation. Yes, the class has been compiled. There is no syntax error. We will see the output of this. First of all, let me enter 20. Then the second number will be 15. Let's see what will be the answer. 20 minus 15, it's 5. Yeah, we have got the correct answer. So this is how we perform subtraction in Java.